With the user data and password assigned to you, you will be able to enter the course. You will have a help forum, a glossary, a library, and the learning units of the course. We will now explain how to navigate a demonstration unit. The units have a number and can be recognized by the color yellow. A pop-up will open and the system will always ask you if you want to continue with the previous session. In this case, we will say no. When the first screen opens, we suggest that you maximize the window and reload the screen with the green arrow to take full advantage of the capabilities of your navigation device. As you can see, the word damage is highlighted. Passing over it displays a definition. It is an internal glossary of the unit. The red button below is a table of contents through which you can navigate the unit. The green arrow allows you to advance to the next screen, and the yellow cross you must always use to save your advances and exit the unit. It is very important that you always exit using the yellow cross. In this screen there is an audio with a content animation. You can stop this programming by using the screen pause button. This button stops all programming and you can only resume it by pressing the screen play button. Let's use the index to go to the next screen. On this screen we have an internal link to the platform glossary. When you click on it, a pop-up will open with the glossary, which you can browse through. To return to the unit, use the browser windows. Also, we have an internal link to a document to be downloaded. By clicking on it, you can download the document and save it for later reading. To return to the unit, use the browser windows. In this screen there are several buttons with information about disasters in the region. You can go through them using the buttons and their titles. The last button contains detailed information on the same platform. Clicking it will open a pop-up. It is possible to enlarge the graph, minimizing the platform menu. You can select statistical information from an area of the chart and then deselect it using the reset button. To return to the unit, use the browser windows. On this screen, we simulate a quiz. This quiz must be answered using the answer buttons according to the damage, losses, and additional cost columns. This time, we are going to answer the options correctly. As you can see, the achievement bar has changed from 0% to 100%. With the arrow to continue, we move on to the second part of the quiz. This time, we are going to make a mistake with the answers so that you can see what is happening with the achievement bar. As you can see, the bar has gone to 50%. This is because the calculation is made on the global score of the unit. Therefore, you can repeat the quiz as many times as you want until you get the maximum score to pass the unit, and this score will be saved on the platform. Let's continue with the third part of the quiz. In this case, we answered the quiz correctly and the overall score was 67%. They can do this until they reach at least 80 end of learning achievement. Then we move on to the final screen, where we have put a summary of the unit. Here it is important to always remember to always leave with the yellow cross so that both our global score is saved as well as the content we have reviewed. To go to the central menu of the course, click on the name Disaster Assessment and Planning for Resilience. Then you can log out. We wish you a good learning experience. Thank you very much.